Good morning, Wellness for Warriors. This is Samantha. I'm coming to you with part 2B of Smart Goals. And I'm going to read you some lyrics from one of my favorite groups. And it's from a song called Reaching by 10th Avenue North. Caught a glimpse of me in the mirror this morning. See the doubts behind my eyes. Is there more for me to say or time for me to fade? Every day I get to decide. I got these lines on my face. I keep rising with the sun, with the breath here in my lungs. I don't want to waste any more, not the kid I used to be. Now my kids are looking at me. What am I teaching them, Lord? I got these lines on my face. These lines ain't no one can trace. I know each day is a grace. I know I've got more. My best is not behind me, no, no. My best is not behind me, no, no. My best is not behind me, no, no. The best is yet to come. I keep reaching, reaching until my last breath. I keep reaching. All my best days are still ahead. All my best days are still ahead. All my best days are still ahead. How many of us look in the mirror seeing the mindset of doubt? How many of us feel like time is fading out on us? How many of us see the age lines appearing from the daily battle to make progress? We arise with that feeling slowly invading our being. How many have begged for one more breath to try again? How many wish for a useful energy to come back? How many wonder if your example of how to process or make a decision is seen in a positive light? We all have had this beginning and ending to our day. Just like the song says, the best days are ahead of us. When we use the tool like SMART goals, it allows us to get to the best days in our future. Why is S for specific important to achieve in the first part of setting goals? According to the definition, it means clearly defined or identified. Can we work towards something if we don't know what it is? No, we cannot. For us, the new normal is specified or predetermined because each person presents differently in reclaiming their lives. So each person's clearly defined goals will be different from the other. It won't be influenced by uninformed or non-compassionate opinions. It will be defined by your care team and yourself working closely together. Let's look at some of mine. Okay, so I said for emotional, find 3 things every day to be thankful for. For mental, share more openly in Wellness for Warriors lessons. Physically, work out with RWB and Wellness for Warriors every Saturday. Make every doctor's appointment I need. And spiritually, make a Dallas in church in some format or fashion. Okay, so how would you use the journaling part to say this? Well, today is the 25th, and I've tried to get here before this. Today, I journaled planting positive seeds in others. Mental, I am recording part 2B for Wellness for Warriors on SMART goals. Physically, I skipped this week's physical goal because last weekend I was eating dinner and one of my teeth literally broke off while I was eating. And some of you have experienced this type of situation where your teeth breaks and you need emergency oral surgery. Well, that occurred last Sunday. So I'm not quite back fully to myself in being able to speak clearly and defined at times. And I definitely still need some help with pain management by taking ibuprofen PM at times. And so I'm still kind of not to myself. So I skipped this week, and that is still self-care, guys. If you know that you are not up to something, it's better to skip it than to get hurt physically. And spiritually, I made a dollis. Meeting last minute after finishing studying for my exam this week. And this is how you would use the journaling process. With that said, guys, I am going to let you guys have a great Saturday. Use this as an example to, I don't know if you can see this. Hold on. Well, sorry about that. I don't know if you can see what I've typed. It looks like I've typed it too small. But if you have any questions or comments on about how to do this, reach out to us at WellnessforWarriors@coxhealth.com. And please don't forget the homework that I did assign last week to send in and tell us what your specific goal is, so that if we have some resources that could assist you in accomplishing that specific goal, we would love to help you reach your goal.